This is a special report on devastating event in Embakasi, Nairobi. Earlier today, the Stage Mpya area was rocked by a tragic gas explosion. The incident involved a gas lorry and has resulted in a significant loss of life and extensive damage. The explosion occurred amid morning during a routine delivery. Emergency services responded immediately. Firefighters, paramedics and police are currently on the scene. The fire has been contained, but rescue operations are ongoing amid a fear that more victims may be trapped under the rubble. The residents of Stage Mpya have described the moment of the explosion as a chaotic and terrifying. A, lo- a local resident said it felt like an earthquake. There was a loud bang, and then I saw flames and smoke everywhere. People were screaming and running for their lives. Authorities have launched an investigation to determine the cause of the explosion, with initial suspicions pointing to a possible gas leak during the offloading process. The National Transport and Safety Authority and other relevant agencies are on site gathering evidence and assessing the extent of the damage. The State Media Committee is leading from the disaster. Many have um, lost their business and properties. Local leaders and government officials have pledged support for the victims and their family, promising a thorough investigation measures to prevent such tragedies in the future. In a statement, the management of Rock has expressed their condolences to the affected families and assured full cooperation with the authorities in the ongoing investigation. We are deeply saddened by these tragic incidents. Our hearts go out to the victims and their families. Safety is our top priority, and we are committed to understanding what went wrong and ensuring it never happens again. This tragic explosion is a stark reminder of the potential dangers associated with handling and transporting hazardous materials. As the community mourns and begins to rebuild, the focus now turns to providing support for the victims and ensuring safe measures to prevent future incidents. Our thoughts are with all those affected by this breaking event. Further updates will be provided as more information becomes available. This is Stephen